Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit paper cash to Cash App. Alright, so let's begin. First, open your Cash App on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on the banking tab, which is located at the bottom left side of the screen. It usually looks like a small bank or money icon. After that, scroll down until you see the paper money option and tap on it. When you open this section, Cash App will automatically show you nearby locations where you can deposit cash. These are usually retail stores and partner locations that support Cash App deposits. Next, choose one of the available locations from the list. Once you select a location, tap on Show Directions if you need help navigating there. Go to that store physically in order to complete the deposit. When you arrive at the store, go back into the Cash App and tap on Show Barcode. A barcode will appear on your screen. You need to show this barcode to the cashier or store representative so they can scan it. After they scan the barcode, hand them the cash amount you want to deposit. The cashier will process the transaction and the money will be added to your Cash App balance shortly after. Keep in mind that Cash App typically charges a $1 fee per deposit transaction, so make sure to account for that when depositing your money. And that's it. This is how you can deposit paper cash to Cash App. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.